Alright, we're at Logan, Ohio, and we're at the Bigfoot Festival, and we're going to check it out today. It's a little rainy day, but come along with us. So, there it is. Yeah. We're going to start going through and see what they got.
大脚怪，我们来了。
Okay, and we're at Hocking Hills. Alright, they have a lot of booths here. Of course, selling a lot of Sasquatch things, Bigfoot. Very festive. Rainy day, but it doesn't seem like it's bringing people down. There's a lot of people here. USA. And they have a Yeti made out of steel. The whole thing is $70, it looks like. Alright, we have the legend of Bigfoot. Wayne National Forest.
The 1950s and 60s. Noon and then 11:45. They probably have one of everything here on the farm. Yeah?
It's long been said that Bigfoot roams the Appalachian hills of the Wayne National Forest.
Yeah.
You can always pause it to read it all. Alright, and this is looking east on Main Street. And there's a lot of people here for what the weather is right now.
现在是中场休息的时间，然后雨下得太大了，但是发现其实帽子比较好，比较方便。然后我们等一下要去找自己喜欢的大脚怪 T-shirt。
Alright, we're gonna go look for some T-shirts that we like, and so far the festival is very nice. It is a little rainy, but other than that, people are really enjoying themselves here, and it's definitely worth coming to. So, alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, and they make their own shirts here. So shirt pricing is tees and tanks.
Oh, baby, you have to get this one. Take a look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the Bengals.
Oh, is it? Just the stickers.
There's a walking stick for $15.
Go down one side and up the other. That's neat. You like that one. No, I think that one's my favorite one though. Right.
Look at that. Please be good.
Yeah. Alright. Wave at them. Hello. And they have a lot of booths lined up. We're trying to show you some shots of the booths, what they're selling. They have a Jeep show here. So Ohio's home of Bigfoot, Mid-Ohio Jeepers Organization.
How handsome is the Bigfoot here? Handsome dude.
Handsome Bigfoot. Not sure what that means, but let's go look at some Jeeps. It's a mean looking Jeep. And we got a Bigfoot on the front of the Jeep here. And the grill of this Jeep has Bigfoot walking through the floors.
Yes, look at over there. Even the
All
hat.
right, we have Wild and Free, Bigfoot. All right. A lot of Jeeps here. Wish I can get through all of them, but I can't, so. All right, we'll go see what else we can get into. All right, there's a lot to get through here. Trying to get most of what we can, so I hope you're enjoying it. I gotta go find Jenny now. All right, found Jenny. We're gonna go look through some of the Main Street stores. So, all right. This is Tasty Sweet Treats. Foot.
买了一个这个。
I think I'm gonna go with the
cookie.
Bigfoot sugar cookie.
Okay.
All right, got my sugar cookie, Bigfoot.
There's $8.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna eat Bigfoot's foot. Very good. And these are actual Bigfoot casts.
That's a small.
It says March 31st, 1991.
I have sizes small through extra large and then double XL. That's just in this play.
December 29th, 1974. They have a little restaurant here for lunch. And they got a Bigfoot eating a cookie.
这里是那个洗衣板的公司，是美国最后一家制作洗衣板的工厂。对，就是在这
And
里。
they have a Columbus Washboard Company established in 1895. We're gonna go in and take a look, see what they got. And they don't actually use them for the purpose in which they were made, but now it's for actually music that they use them. Yeah, people don't watch much clothing with this anymore. And this is actually what they do now, is play music with it. And we have Taiwan, little island
看起
here.
来没有在那里卖哦。
And then they have some that are actually for sale. Got a little bit bigger ones. $39.49. All right, we're going to wrap it up here for the Logan, Ohio Bigfoot Festival. It's very delightful. If you get a chance to come out, come out. The weather, you know, it was rainy, wasn't too bad. If you like Bigfoot, Sasquatch, it's definitely worth your time to come out here. All right, got anything to say, Jay?
No.
Nope. All right. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments, whatever you like to do. Thank you so much. That's very pretty. Jenny decided to go around looking at the architecture, so. All right. And while we're exiting the Bigfoot Festival, we run across this nice, beautiful church. You want to say bye, Jay?
这里好像哈利波特的场景哦，好可爱。
All right, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I watch it some, but not like her.